Hi guys, happy Monday. How is everybody today? Just coming on. This morning I got my coffee and I got my little Abbers, my little Abby dog behind me. And she's just chilling out this morning. Pretty cold here. We've got frost on the ground and pretty chilly. So I just wanted to come on today and talk to you guys about, this thing. I'm getting it pieced together, y'all. Look at this. Is that not gorgeous? Let me turn this a little bit so you can see it. Is this not pretty? Let me get this flipped around here. I have got eight. I have 8 of the 12 um, rows attached. So I've got 4 more rows to attach on this thing. And once I do that, then I can you stitch around the 2 sides of it, and then I will take all these ends. There's no tying in loose ends, which yay, I don't have to weave in any ends. All these loose ends will be made into tassels for the ends of the blanket. So it's been fun working on it, but it has taken forever. So hopefully that's going to be done today, and I'm going to get that done. Also, I was commissioned to make, excuse me, my throat is a little dry this morning. But I was commissioned to make 3 teddy bears for a friend of mine who has 3 grandchildren. So I'm going to show you something, and I need to ask you a question. I'm going to ask your opinion on it. Here's this big monster teddy head. Here's his head. Let me stand his ears up. Sorry about the tail here. But this is his head, okay? I've got one head made. Now, let me move this out. I have one head made. I don't have the gray body. I'm making a gray, a pink, and a hot pink bear. Well, I have a pink body made, but look at this body. I'm thinking that this body just is not quite big enough for the head, and maybe it's not supposed to be proportioned completely like this, but here it is like this. I just think that body is too small. I'm thinking about putting some more rows on here to make this body a little bit longer. I don't know. You tell me what you think. Should I just leave it like this and it's supposed to be a short, stumpy little bear? Or do you think this body is okay with this big of a head? I'm still trying to figure out. Oh, let me put this down. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with that. I don't know. So you guys let me know what you would do. Would you make the body bigger, or would you leave it like it is and just make it a short, stumpy little bear? It is going to have arms and legs. I have got those. And that's the other thing. Um, excuse me. One of the requests that I had been given for for tutorials was, how do I sew my pieces on for my amigurumis? And so I'm thinking, when I get ready, I get all the parts made. When I get all the parts made, I will show you guys how I put those together. That'll be my first tutorial. Then I also had someone ask me about how I make earrings and how I attach, do my earrings. Well, I just had an order come in yesterday or a couple days ago for some earrings, and they're really cute. The pattern is a little mug of hot cocoa that you can, and it's the pattern is for an ornament, but I'm going to make them with thread. I'm going to try it out first and make them with my thread and see if it makes them small enough to be earrings. So once I do that, then I'm going to, after I do the tutorial on how to put the amigurumi together, then I am going to put a tutorial up on how to make those earrings. So that's what I've got planned. Um, this morning's going to be fun. I've got to go to an orthodontist and get a possible root canal today. So they say it's not going to be a big deal. I don't have to be sedated. It's just the numbing shots and some gas. So hopefully that's all it's going to be, and I'll get out of there quick and I'll be back on here in the morning. But anyhow, I get to go do that fun thing today. Happy Monday. Yeah. So anyway, just thought I'd pop on here and share with you my progress on this beautiful blanket. I think it would be gorgeous. Like I said, the person that wants this, the pattern calls for this gray part to be white. It calls for all this gray in here to be white. But I think the white would be gorgeous. I think it'd be so pretty with white. But anyway, I think it's pretty. And hopefully when I get back from the orthodontist today, this is what I'm going to sit down and work on and finish it. I want it to be done today. Because like I said, it's been fun to work on, but I'm over it. I'm ready for it to be done. So anyhow, yeah, that's what's been going on in my world today. Not a whole lot to talk about. I've also been asked, man, I'm hoping I get all this done. I've also been asked to make a doll, and the little girl loves tie-dye, anything tie-dye. So I'm making the basic flesh colored doll with blonde hair, but she's going to have, and I'm going to make her a little pink shirt. So for the tie-dye, I've got this yarn right here. That's what I rolled it up from this. You get this at Hobby Lobby. It's Yarn Bee, authentic hand-dyed rainbow blossom yarn. And it's a 4-weight yarn. Got it on sale at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to make, I really think this is going to be pretty for tie-dye. A tie-dye look, or at least have the colors. I'm going to make a jacket and a little pair of paint, and a jacket. No, she's going to have a pink shirt and denim pants. Let me get this right. Then I'm going to make her a jacket with this and a pair of shoes. So we will see how that turns out. And I'll keep you posted on that. That doll, I probably won't get started till after Thanksgiving with all this other stuff I'm doing. So we'll see when I get to that. But so I'm going to get off here. I'm going to work a little bit more on this, about another hour on this blanket. And then I'm going to get ready for my dental appointment. Joy. So I will talk to you guys later. And I hope you're having a magnificent Monday. See you soon, guys. Bye.